Hello and welcome. Despite the standoff in the Doklam Pass, the government has told the opposition that engagement with China is important and must continue. This as the government briefed opposition parties on the ongoing standoff with China and the situation in Kashmir. The all-party meeting, chaired by the Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh, was also attended by Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj, Defence Minister Arun Jaitley, the NSA Ajit Doval and Foreign Secretary S. Jaishankar. In a statement, the MEA confirmed that all members unanimously expressed strong support for India's approach and agreed with the importance of India and China remaining engaged through diplomacy.
They were talking about the Amarnath Yatra in as much as they were talking about China. So let's deal with the China issue first. As far as China is concerned, there seemed to be a consensus among all the opposition leaders that look, we need to listen to the government. We need to follow what the government is saying over here. But it's good that the briefing has been given. Opposition parties now know where exactly the Indian army stands and India stands diplomatically. At the same time, the Congress did make an important point. They said that the eventual goal needs to be de-escalation of the situation, and that really is what the government also wants. They want a de-escalation of the situation, and for that they continue to engage the Chinese. As far as the attack on Amarnath Yatris was concerned, I spoke to Derek O'Brien, who told reporters that as far as the Trinamool Congress is concerned, they're not satisfied with the responses provided by the government on why that attack should have taken place.
ये थी कि राष्ट्रीय हित के साथ में कोई समझौता नहीं हो सकता है और सबने कहा कि हम दलगत भावना से ऊपर उठ करके सरकार के साथ हैं।
जहां तक राष्ट्र हित, राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा का प्रश्न है, उसमें भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस उसको सर्वोपरि मानती है। कूटनीति के माध्यम से तनाव कम किया जाए और इसका समाधान निकले।
I'm talking specifically about the Amarnath tragedy. If they knew about all this, why wasn't proper action taken? Why was this failure? Why did this happen? But we didn't get the answers we were looking for. On the issue of national security and national integration, all opposition parties were united on that. There's no two ways about it.
उन्होंने कहा बातचीत के आधार पर मामला को सुलझाएंगे, ये सरकार का कहना है। अमरनाथ यात्रा पे उन्होंने कहा कि जो भी है, मतलब वो कारण, वो गलतियां, जो लैप्सेस जो हुई, उसके बारे में स्पष्टीकरण दिया।